In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Outlook calendar and invite your colleagues to a meeting. So if you open up Outlook, go ahead and go to your calendar, and at the top you should see appointment or a new appointment button. If I click that, it's going to open up my new event. So I can say my meeting, and then I can say the location. So if it's a place on campus, if it's a virtual meeting, and then I would choose my date and my time. I can pick the date. I can add details below in the white open box. I can also paste the Zoom meeting, or I can just give the link and put this in the location as well. So you can add a lot more details. You can add an agenda on here. So now I have my event. If I click Save and Close, it's going to save this on my calendar. But I want to invite my colleagues. So I'm going to hit the Invite tab, and I can invite anybody that's within my Outlook contacts and email address. I'm going to invite my team, and if I hit send, it will add it to my calendar as well as their calendar, and they have the option to decline or accept the meeting. If this was a reoccurrence meeting, you have this reoccurrence tab right here. I would click that, and then you can choose how often it reoccurs. If it's always going to be 9 to 10, it makes it easy. If you're going to change it from 12 to 1 on a day, I would go ahead and create a new event. But you can also choose, maybe this is going to end at the end of May. So it's going to recur every Tuesday, or you can do monthly or yearly. So you have the options to add details on a reoccurrence as well. Once I hit send, the message invite goes, and then your team just goes to their Outlook calendar, either on their computer or their tablet or phone if they have Outlook set up, and they have access to the meeting and all the details. If you have any questions about using Outlook or setting up a calendar invite, please refer to ctl.center.edu.